Click on the link below to get price. The Rovsun 3-zone 38,000 BTU Mini Split AC/heating system stands out as a versatile solution for climate control in medium to large spaces. With a combined output of 12,000 BTUs for each of its 3 zones, this system is designed to cater to various room sizes and layouts, making it an ideal choice for homes or offices requiring customized temperature settings. One of the most impressive features of this mini split system is its energy efficiency, boasting a SEER2 rating of 20. This high efficiency not only translates to lower energy bills but also highlights its environmentally friendly design. The inverter technology allows the system to adjust its cooling and heating output according to the current temperature, providing consistent comfort while minimizing energy consumption. Installation is generally straightforward, assuming some basic DIY skills. The package includes essential components for mounting the indoor and outdoor units, though professional installation is recommended for optimal performance and longevity. Once installed, the system operates quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms or workspaces where noise can be a distraction. The user interface is intuitive, featuring a remote control for convenient temperature adjustments from anywhere in the room. The units offer multiple modes, including cooling, heating, and dehumidification, catering to various seasonal needs. An added bonus is the energy-saving sleep mode, which gradually adjusts the temperature for increased comfort during nighttime hours. Maintenance is relatively simple, with washable filters that help maintain air quality. However, regular checks and cleanings are necessary to ensure the system runs efficiently over time. Overall, the Rovsun 3-zone Mini Split AC/heating system provides a powerful and efficient climate control solution. Its ability to independently regulate temperatures in multiple zones, combined with high energy efficiency and low noise operation, makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their indoor comfort year-round.